While hundreds of people have died from the coronavirus in Indiana, thousands are on the road to recovery. News 18's Anna Darling spoke with a Lafayette man who is one of those survivors.
I really didn't want to believe it.
Mike Atwell didn't want to believe that he had contracted the novel coronavirus.
I started having symptoms on March 22nd. I didn't have any chest congestion. I was just having fever. I thought it was just the flu.
But that changed 1 week later.
Then the chest, shortness of breath really kicked in. There was some blood I was coughing up, and that's when he said, "You got to go to the ER."
He went to IU Health Arnett, where doctors found pneumonia in both his lungs and a lack of oxygen in his body. That's when he was admitted into the hospital. The next day, the doctors told him he had the disease.
I really felt like that was the end. The first 2 weeks were just hell, really.
But he began to recover after extensive treatment, and he got to go home after a week in the hospital. However, things didn't get any easier for his family.
My son also tested positive because he was having fever and not so much shortness of breath, but like a real bad cough, and he's 19.
He says he and his son were among the first 20 cases diagnosed in Tippecanoe County.
I was like, wow, how did that happen?
They have no idea how they contracted the disease, but now their focus is on getting healthy.
I still kind of feel like I'm getting over like a bad cold. The doctor said to quarantine for 7 to 14 days. And to take it very seriously.
He hopes that by sharing his story, it might save others.
I know that the outcome could have been a lot different. I'm so grateful to the folks at IU Health who took really good care of me.
Anna Darling, News 18.
Mr. Atwell says they have another week left in quarantine. You can read more about his road to recovery on